under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door 'cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone.
Hey guys, what is up? So I am currently about to start the cleaning process for the downstairs area. I wanted to empty out some of these bags because we did have to go to Target yesterday. Of course we had to go to Target, so I had to buy a few things. I had to buy one of these squeegee things for our shower, and you guys will see why eventually. And I have been loving the CLR Bath and Kitchen Foam and Action Cleaner. Guys, this stuff works like a charm. You guys know I have been hooked on my Comet. I love the way that it cleans. So I picked that up because I'm also going to be cleaning our bathrooms, but I think that will be in a separate video. And I needed just to pick up some soap, baby wipes for my dog's feet because we do have sprinklers here because Shane is so thirsty. But yeah, we do have sprinklers here, so I just wanted to pick up more baby wipes, especially for Daisy's paws. Guys, I purchased a Swiffer Wet Jet because as I mentioned to you guys in a previous video, we do not have laminate floors anymore, so I will not be using like my mop bucket on our floors. So I just wanted to try out the Swiffer Wet Jet for our bathroom tile, just because I think it'll be a lot easier to handle, especially because I will not be using my mop bucket as much. I'll still hold on to it just in case I don't like these for the bathrooms, but for my downstairs floors I did purchase something else, and I'll share that with you guys. I needed to pick up a shower liner for Trinity. My neighbors are cutting their grass, so if you guys hear anything, yeah, that's what it is. Some more of these. You guys know I love these so much. Move the dog bowls, and then this for the shower, especially me and Portia's shower. So this is what I plan to use for our floors. I went back and forth between this and the Bona, and I had gotten several people's feedback on the Bona, and they said that it leaves a film and a residue on your floors, and girl, I was not having that. So this man in Lowe's, like, he could be my pawpaw. He was like, use this, like, it's the best hands down. So this is just the bruised hardwood and laminate cleaning system. I had never seen this before, and in the one back in Tennessee, the Lowe's in Tennessee, it was not by the regular floor cleaning stuff. It was by the actual hardwood stuff and the flooring and stuff like that. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted on this. I did have to get some cleaning towels, and we found a Burlington here yesterday, and I got a 24 pack of towels. These say Armor All, but they are exactly like my microfiber towels that I always use. They're super soft. So we picked these up so that I can start cleaning, because clearly we have no furniture, but stuff is going to start arriving next week. So I just want to go ahead and get the floors prepped because the refrigerator will be coming soon, and I want to make sure that, again, the flooring gets clean. I am going to go ahead and treat the backsplash as well as the granite today, and I'll show you guys what I'll be using to do that. And this is the Swiffer wet jet that I picked up. Let me know guys if you all have this and how you like it. Again, because I will not be using my mop water down here on the floors anymore, I just wanted something a little bit more convenient, and this was not expensive at all, so I'm going to be trying this out in the bathrooms for sure. This is what I picked up to treat the granite. I got all of this at Home Depot, and this stuff is not freaking cheap. This bottle was like almost $30. This is the maximum strength sealer, and again, it's for the backsplash. So the builder recommended that we go ahead and take care of this part before we start cooking, because if anything splashes on it, it can stain the grout, and I do not want that. So this is what I picked up, and I'm going to be treating that today. And for the granite, I picked up the Daily Cleaner. This is the Stone Care brand, and I looked this up online, and also the people in the store told me that it's one of the best that they have. So I picked this one up, and then this is the sealer. So I'm gonna have to go throughout the house and seal all of the granite just so that it doesn't stain, leave dark spots or anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start tackling the rest of the kitchen, guys. So I'm not gonna be doing like a voiceover or anything, because honestly I'm exhausted and voiceovers take time. So I'm just gonna come back and check in with you guys throughout me doing the process. And I'm actually gonna be sweeping down here. I do have my Dyson, but for the first good clean, I do want to sweep these floors, because they just have all type of debris from the builders and the workers and stuff like that. So I just want to make sure that nothing gets caught up in my cordless Dyson and then it breaks on me, because I'll be super pissed about that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this all straightened up so I can start working on the countertops, and I'll come back and check in with you guys in a bit.
He got these yellow brown eyes and a smile on his face when he tells me he wants me. From the feelings I can hide.
I'm going to be using some of this wrapping paper that we had left over for the move. I brought it here for this purpose. I'm going to go ahead and seal the grout first. I'm going to take a damp microfiber towel and just wipe it down really good, not using any product. And then I'm going to go in with the sealer, using it in smaller spaces to make sure that everything is good. I am going to do this twice, but I'm going to record just a little bit of the process for you guys. But I don't want any of the sealer to get onto the granite. It didn't say that it couldn't, but because I'm also going to be sealing the granite, I just decided that this would be the best. And also I don't want to damage the cooktop, because it is a glass surface. So I just kind of wanted to mention that to you guys. Have I done this before? Absolutely not. But I can follow directions pretty well, and I did watch videos on how to seal the granite from the actual company, and guys, it was like super common sense. It's super easy. So yeah, even the builder was like, you can do it. A kid can do this. That's how easy it is. So yeah, just in case you guys were wondering why I'm putting paper, I just don't want any of that sealer to get on the granite. So I'm gonna go ahead and line the countertops with this paper, and then I am going to wipe everything down and get to going.
And I sway with his arms tight around me, and sure I messed it up a little later on, but just for now I keep dancing. He and his yellow brown eyes and the smile at this boy got the air feeling vibrant.
So I went ahead and I tested it on this area, because it recommends that you test it on a small surface first, or a small area. and then you let it sit for 5 minutes and you wipe it off, and anything that is not that has dried, you just re-wet it and wipe it off with a microfiber towel. Well, it doesn't say microfiber cloth, but that's all that I use. So it came out really nice. It doesn't look like anything harmed anything. So now I am just going to start tackling the rest, and it recommends that I do this twice. So this is going to be a process. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work with manageable areas. So since I did this part from this outlet to the next outlet, I do believe that that is manageable for me to handle, meaning enough space for me to cover in a timely fashion. Yeah, and then all the instructions are just on the back of here. It just says, the print is kind of small, but it says sit up to 5 minutes, and to prevent grout staining on your tile, it says do 2 coats, so I will do that. So yeah, I just want to come in and touch base with you guys, kind of let you know how this works if you've never done it. I'm going to finish this up and we'll move on to the countertops.
Feels like the ceiling is high in this club.
It's all done, y'all. It looks so good. I feel like when I first started, it was lighter. Like, I'll show you guys. I don't know if it'll come off on camera, but this was the last area that I did, and I did it twice, but it looks lighter. But when everything starts drying down, it's like its natural color comes through. It looks so stinking good. I just said that I wasn't gonna do the countertops today, but I feel like I should, especially since I'll be doing a lot of cleaning here. The tile looks so stinking good, babe. I did that.
Listening.
Call me Nina the Sealer. Not really, don't call me that, but I mean. So I went ahead and I read the instructions for this, and I have again watched videos for this. This is not going to be hard at all. The sealer for the tile was not hard either, so I'm going to need to do the daily cleaner first, and I'm just going to start off over there because it's the smallest area, and they recommend that you do this every 6 to 12 months. So I figure since I need to do the countertops every 6 to 12 months, I'll also do the backsplash every 6 to 12 months. So I'm just gonna set an alert in my phone just to make sure that I'm treating everything on the regular. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and do the daily cleaner, and then I'll do the sealer.
Feel the music, the rhythm, a heart on a mission. Can't fight the feeling, and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose all control. Got emotions in motion, they all wanna go dance. Sweat in an ocean, and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose all control. First time on the floor, but I'm into it. Nervous from my knees to my fingertips. I might have a broken heart, but I won't hold back tonight.
All right, guys, so finally, I am done with the countertops and the backsplash in the kitchen. That took a lot longer than I intended. So now I am just going to sweep and use the Bruce hardwood floor cleaner. And I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because my battery is getting low. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this broom, which is very convenient, guys. I actually got this broom from the Walmart, honey. I'm gonna go ahead, do these floors, and I'm going to change out these light bulbs, though that light bulb up there, and then this set of light bulbs to my daylight bulbs. Although these are bright, I do want my daylight bulbs in here. So once I do that, I'm just gonna wrap up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up as always if you did. If this is your first time here, then hello. Hey girl, welcome. Go ahead and join the squad and come back and join me for the next one, guys.